Morning, children, and welcome to the animal world. Children, in the previous weeks, you have learned about domestic animals, wild animals, and water animals. So, today you will learn something new. But before that, I will ask some riddles from you. Clear, children? So let's try to guess some riddles. On my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. I am proud of my feathers. Rain is the best of all weathers. Who am I? Yes, peacock. Let's see the next one. My feathers are green. My beak is red. Guava and green chili I am fed. Who am I? Parrot. Kuhu kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Can you guess my name? Yes, children, it's quail. And it is also known as cuckoo, and it has a very sweet voice. Let's try to guess the next one. My beak is dark, feathers grey, gutter goo all day I say. In houses I make my home. Do you know how I am known? Yes, I am known as a pigeon. Clear, children? So I think that now you have guessed that what we are going to learn today. We are going to learn about birds today. Children, we have got all kinds of beautiful birds around us, like peacock, parrot, pigeon, and cuckoo. And there are many more also, like kingfisher, woodpecker, hummingbird, eagle, and sparrow. Children, birds lay eggs and most of the birds fly. But do you know that there are some birds which cannot fly? You want to see them? Let's see. Penguin is a bird. It lives on snow, but it cannot fly. Then we have ostrich. Ostrich is also a bird. It runs very fast, but it cannot fly. Hen. Hen can also not fly. And then last is duck. So children, all these birds like penguin, ostrich, hen and duck, they cannot fly. So children, I know that after looking at these birds, we all feel like flying. And we also feel that how beautiful would it have been if we could fly. So children, I think that you have understood and learned something new about birds. Clear, children? Thank you and have a nice day.